Hi, let's look at we added a slicer and then look at this here, right? One is this head count O, the other is head count O selected. So where is the difference? Now let's take a look at the explanation here, right? Now when you use the O, right, both of them really remove filters. But the O, right, is that it remove all filters. Right, so remove all those. So it was they just ignore the slicer. So what does it mean? Slicer is that I mean like this here. Right? So you can see that here now it's 10, right? Head count is 10 right now. When I click on finance, right, the head count all does not change. I click on HR, it does not change, right? That's what it means that when you come to the using the O, okay. Um, Now when you talk about the all selected, it keep the slicer filters, right? Remove only visual level filters. Okay, let's take a look here. Again, right? This is all selected. Now, you see that when I put the HR, right, it's gonna be two head counts, right? So right here is two head counts. See, two head counts. Now, if I go to IT, and the head counts will be four, right? Four. And you can see the head counts always still remain 10, right? Because altogether are 10. Um, the same goes to here, right? This will affected by the filter, right? So the filter context. Okay, great. Now let's take a look, closer look, right? So here also like keep slicer. Now you understand that, right? So now, you can think about that. All is that I don't care what's selected anyway. Just give me everything, right? So, uh, all selected respect what the user selected in the slicer, but you know what's happening inside individual visuals. Okay, so what is really individual, right? So let's say here, right, all selected, right? See here, let's say I click on this here. Does it change? No. You see, I click on this. Oh wait, head counts. They don't have head counts. Let's see. Oh, that's because I respect IT, right? That's why IT I can get. But if I click on finance, it does not show, right? The headcount also select because headcount selectors respect the department. So quite around I'm selecting IT, and of course, right, it will show four headcounts. But when I go to HR, it goes blank because that this already apply for IT, right? For based on this dynamic filter slicer, right? So that's the reason right here. Now let's look at here. Uh, okay, so that is called the all selected. So it respected the slices, but you know what's happening inside individual visual. Yeah. Okay, in this case, right, head counts all right. We use this here, so it will show total cost, total across all, and yeah, this is the syntax, right? The DEX. We're using the all, and here is all selected. When you use all selected, it shows headcount filter by slicer, not affected by other special. Okay, headcount filter by slicer. So here's another example here. Right? So, uh, yep. Let's look at how I write my code, right? So this is the head counts, right, is basically using the head count O is using the calculate. So yes, we got a total employees, and since you don't want to be affected by any other visual, including the slicer, so you say that no matter what, I'm going to use all of the employee data, right? So all employees, all rows of data, right? So that's why you get 10, right? So you want to select this here, right? It will not change, right? Okay, and next one is the all selected. Account all selected, calculate total employees, and you instead of using all, you use all selected. Okay, all selected. So that's why it is responding to the slicer right here. So IT, as you can see here, right? So see, it always responded to this department. Right now I have that means that that this overhead count is now having a sales, only the sales department's employee data. So when you click on hash R here, there's nothing to show, right? Because it's respond to here, but there's nothing, right? Because if you look at that table itself, there's only sales table. It's kind of imagine that, right? So now when you click on hash R, there's nothing, right? And same goes to the rest, right? It's nothing because we are talking about hash R data. Zoom into it, you got nothing here, right? But if you look at the sales, right, then you can see that this is it. Okay, and that is how you see the difference between all and all selected. Right there. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.